Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Expense. Today I come with this viral math question which will be tricky for anyone, and but you have already solved this, then comment your right answer. I will give them heart. And those who failed, I will solve for them a stepwise method with the help of PEMDAS. Okay, so what we have given 24 divided by 6 into 2 power cube. So what will be 2 power cube? This is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. So what we get? 2 into 2, that is 4, and 4 into 2, that is 8. So 2 power cube, that is give 8. So we will simply write 24 divided by 6 into 8. So if you think that 24 divided by 6 times 8, that is 48, and answer is will be 1 by 2, then this is the wrong way. I will solve in the right way. So what is here? 24 divided by 6 into 8. So division and multiplication have the same priority, and in that case we will solve from left to right. And what we have given, 24 divided by 6, so here 8. Okay, no, sorry, 24 divided by 6, that will give result 4. Okay, and that 8. Now what we will consider, 8 times 4, that is equal to 32. So here 32 will be the right answer. And if you want more math exercise, then subscribe our channel. I will upload daily maths questions, and must check out our best books in the description. Thanks for watching.